Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm here with my friend Brandon.
Hello.
And we're gonna be ow, I hurt myself. We're gonna be doing some this unboxing whatnot stuff since I thought it was pretty cool. So I decided to buy some gems or whatever you call them, diamonds.
He's got 81.
And we are gonna just buy a bunch of these and hope for the best. Alright, I don't know what that is. Votes or something like that?
Okay.
Alright.
Spin it out. Let's spin it out.
Oh, please. No!
Oh, so close. Tiny guy, alright.
Let's spin it again so we can get one. Oh, are you kidding me? We got that guy twice.
Come on, you can get it.
All we're getting is the same stuff.
16, bunch more things. What is that?
Oh, cool. Armor.
Armor, awesome. Oh, and I'm finally back. The last video I was in was OMG Flappy Bird.
MLG.
MLG, okay.
I don't need grenades.
I know, he already has 50.
You can pick them up. No!
So close.
Oh, are you kidding me? We're trying to get that gun though.
The gun it was pointing to.
Ooh, coins. Well, how many? Oh, sick.
5.
It's not that bad.
Grenade.
More grenades.
Jeez.
I wonder if there's any like weapons we could buy with this amount though. Let's go. I'm just gonna quickly check. Oh, we could upgrade it. That means there's gotta be 100. No. Wait, melee? This one? No way. It's only 190. 12. That one's 14. Oh my goodness. That saber kills instantly. Should I buy a good pistol? Like, that's a pretty good pistol. I used to have it. Wait, don't I already have a pistol? I think I do. No, I don't.
You had that one shot. You had that one shot laser gun.
Yeah, that's a sniper. Alright, anyway.
Alright, let's get back to opening boxes. He's hoping for the gun. But he gets more coins.
I'm okay with coins. Like, that's not bad. I wish you got more coins, though. Another pair of coins.
Okay, we're okay. He's okay with it. As long as he gets coins, he's good.
Grenades. I really want diamonds or a gun or a cool outfit thing. Please, please. Oh my gosh. No! Why?
Stampy Cat.
It's not Stampy Cat.
I don't really care.
It's Teddy Bear. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm gonna flip. I still got like 10 more tries. Actually 13 tries, but
Armor. Take some armor.
oh, it's not armor.
It isn't?
No, it's just boots.
Boots.
Please! No! I just got that! No, I don't want that. Dude, I'm about to pull out all my hair. Please, diamonds. Yes! How many do we get? 5?
Yep.
Yeah! Or gems. They're called gems.
Okay.
No, we passed it. Grenades. Alien. Okay. Alien's not bad.
Big alien.
I wonder how big it actually is. I really want that golden gun. Please, 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 please. No! Why would I need those? I don't need those.
Stupid wings.
It's gonna kill me if I don't get. Please, gems. Nope, cape. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna take that.
It's a cape editor. Edit it.
It's still a...
Money. Money, money. Get your money. If you get one more money, you could probably get something.
Oh yes! No! Come on! There's like not a
He
single
gets
chance
crazy.
you can get it. Why would I want that? I don't need
A
that.
beautiful girl. Like that's ever gonna happen. More grenades. Like you ever need those.
We're down to 8 now. And it's about 2 more tries.
No heart.
I don't even know what those are. What do you get? Like
Votes.
you can use hearts to vote for other players' sandbox. I don't understand. Gun. I need to get gems.
Right,
Either the
your
gems
last
or that
try.
gun. Oh my gosh! No!